Hey, how you doing? This is Jim Janossy, and I'm going to explain to you why I want you to see the next two short videos dealing with printing. The first of them starts off kind of goofy. It's from a kids show, so you see little hand puppets that are kind of expressing a lot of glee because they're going to go visit Mr. So-and-so at the print shop. Well, that's fine. You can ignore the little cartoon characters if you want. This very short video just demonstrates for you what an old-time printing press looked like. This was a little more developed than in Gutenberg's day, but the principle was quite the same. Very labor-intensive to ink up whatever was going to be printed, that is the printing type, and then inserted one sheet at a time into a press and an impression made, and then the paper taken out and hung up to dry. Not a very fast process. The next video shows you how a woodcut is prepared, and it's really time-lapse movie photography, so it speeds up. In just a few minutes it shows you how an artist comes up with a design, a rather crude kind of a line drawing, and then has to carve away the parts of a wooden block that are not intended to print, and then to ink it up and print it in the same manner as the very first example, where it's a one sheet at a time process to make one impression after inking the woodblock, in this case with a roller, not with those leather pads that the earlier example showed you. I just want you to get a feel for the printing process. Now, the write-up that precedes this also talks about two other types of printing, silkscreen printing Now, the write-up that precedes these videos also talks about a few other types of printing, including silkscreen printing, which it would be very good for you to get an idea of. Just thought I'd introduce these little videos so that you have some idea why I'm asking you to take a look at them.